back to FMRevu. I'm your host, Freddie Robinson, and in today's video, I'll be covering the InGenuity Rock Dream Sleeper, model 10126-ES. Inside the box, you get the assembly guide, 2 bottom rails, 2 top rails, 2 hub assemblies, 1 seat pad, 1 headrest, and 1 vibrating unit. And now I'll go through the process of assembling the sleeper. Now I do notice that there are some rails inside of this cloth material that will act as the top rails. So you do have your bottom rails and then your additional assembly pieces. And now I'll go ahead and I'll place the bottom rails into the hub assembly. Now you can see the bottom rails do have a small indented area with a spring-loaded peg, and that will go into the larger end that has the indentation of your hub assembly. And now you can see what it looks like once the 2 hub assemblies have been attached to the 2 bottom legs. And for the next step, I will attach the hub assembly to the top legs, and you can see that the top legs again are already assembled, so it's just a matter of lining those up and snapping them in place. I found it easy to roll up the cloth material so you can expose these legs and line them up with your pegs. And now you can see what this looks like so far with the top and bottom rails attached to the hub assembly. Now if you turn the sleeper over, you can see you have these straps and these little clips, and that will go across the hub assembly and lock in place. Next, you would attach the vibrating unit to the side rail of the sleeper. For this vibrating unit, it does take 1 C battery or 1.5 volt battery. I don't have one of these for the time being, but you can see how easy it works. This little area just opens up and it clamps over the side. And here you can see where I put the vibrating unit, and this can be positioned anywhere along this frame. I just chose to put it midway simply because it's easy to access. And now I'll take a few minutes to show you how you would place your baby in this. You just fold this flat back, fold this flat back. This is going to act as maybe a headrest or a pillow, and then you have this little harness area that you can adjust. You'll put the torso with the legs through, and it'll hold your baby in place while it vibrates and rocks. Thank you so much for spending your time and watching my video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to keep more awesome FM reviews coming your way.
3, 2, 1, action!
And next you can, I don't know, attach? Yeah. And here you can see that I positioned this somewhere along the midway or closer to the head where the baby will be